Utah. Drove down to Utah yesterday with my older brother. He has a conference he's going to, Kryptonia, if that tells you anything about him. And me, I had to figure out something fun to do in Utah. I'm gonna start with my classic, go on Google Maps, and I type in fun. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like Utah has nothing fun to do. Look at that. But, I mean, the Up House. Poor people probably get so many visitors. Ladies just trying to sit on the porch and talk on the phone. Feel bad, but very cool. Just another thing in Utah. This is not a Disney sponsorship. It's not. Never too old for a playground. Okay, maybe you can be a little too old for a playground. Hayden won't let me take his teeth.
I have 2 sets.
Just gotta hang out with my friend Hayden. He's super tall, really good at basketball, and we had fun. And now it's just really hot in Utah for some reason. It is 83 degrees. It's so hot in my car, I'm sweating. It hasn't been warm enough yet in Washington to be able to test out my AC. I'm really learning. It don't work. Well, the only thing worse than paying $140 for an AC recharge is the fact that that wasn't the problem. So luckily I was able to return it, but now there's just a bigger problem that isn't gonna be cheaper to fix. Maverick headquarters. It has the same chime as Maverick. No dogs on the grass.